I'm gonna show you how to display your RPM. It works even with cars that don't have a tachometer. The procedure is the following. You have a reset button, or a button that switches through the kilometers and your trip. So you need to put on the ignition. First, press this button. Keep this button pressed. It's a little harder. Yeah. You have to keep this button pressed. Put on the ignition. Then switch off the ignition and put on the ignition again. And as you can see, there is a number displayed there. You can switch between, it has 7 modes. You can switch between them by pressing again this button. So you have number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 7 displays you the RPM. Now it's 0. I'm gonna start the engine and I'm gonna show you. See? The RPM is a little higher now because it was a cold start. There are -2 degrees today in Brașov, Romania. And I hope that this tutorial will be useful for you, even though you have a tachometer.